we did keep up in what was going on with the world around us. And don't forget, this was the generation of the Vietnam War. It's really hard not to know what's going on in the world around you. We had all, at least those of us coming straight through as undergraduates, we had all had good friends who had either gone to Vietnam or had made other choices in order maybe not to go to Vietnam immediately. Most of us who were coming straight through, and at that time you had more people who did that. Now more people work in between. I think that's also a good change. But at that time there were obviously those people. In fact, one of our classmates was someone who was retired military. I think that everybody felt very engaged in what was going on in the world because it affected them so personally because of the draft. We do not have that today. And so because it impacted everybody, you were much more involved. Those of us who had come straight through from law school had experienced our freshman year where the college campuses were shut down. When we were in college, the spring of 1970 was the Kent State shootings, and most of us were told to go home. I don't care where you went to college. Even at the University of Missouri in the middle of the country, the campus was closed down and we were told to go home. So this, if you're coming into law school and that's the type of experiences you've had as an undergraduate, it's going to color your view. You don't just suddenly drop out and say, I'm just going to study all the time. That's just not who this group of people was.